purchase mutual funds, a user has to follow a one-time KYC procedure. Select any fund. Click on Invest Now. Select Create New. Choose No for Create New Investor to get your personal details autofilled. Fill other few basic details as asked. Compulsorily add nominee details. Add bank details. Click on I agree. Draw your signature or upload signature photo. Upload cancelled check. Check 2 separate mail for UCC authentication and nominee authentication. Click on the link in mail. Click on Accept. Click on Generate OTP. Enter OTP. Come back to app and select Click here to re-upload. Congratulations, your BSE KYC has been completed. Enter your instant login PIN. You can now proceed with buying the mutual funds of your choice.